Ensure that all windows are minimized so that you have access to a clean desktop. Pick up the attached stylus pen and use the buttons at the top of the screen to choose your pen color. Write or draw directly on the desktop and a whiteboard will appear. It will resize as you write to ensure that you have enough space. As you write, the contents will appear on the main classroom screen for your students to see. To save your whiteboard, click on the pen icon on the top right-hand side of the whiteboard window. Click the Capture Ink button and choose either Save on Desktop or Do Something Else to choose your save location. Open a PDF or browser, such as Firefox or Chrome, and navigate to the page you would like to annotate. Using the stylus, annotate directly onto the page. You can choose pen colors or erase by using the buttons at the top of the screen. Before scrolling, you can save your annotations by clicking the pen icon in the top right-hand side of the window and choosing Capture Ink. Once again, you can choose either Save on Desktop or Do Something Else. Your annotated page or PDF will be saved as an image file in the location you choose. If you have any additional questions about working with your classroom podium, please watch our Getting to Know Your Classroom video. To learn more about the specific technology in your classroom, please visit apps.clarku.edu/classrooms.